guys have to see this view. It's amazing. Time for a little room service. What do you guys think?
Drops. Super official.
What's going on, Foodie Fam? It's your main man, Daym Drops. I can take it up a notch because it's only 9 o'clock, so we can talk, have a regular conversation. I want to take you through some of the options that I grabbed up from my belly playlist here at the Renaissance Hotel in Midtown. Y'all, take a look at the garlic and herb. You see how it is seared up real proper. You know these wings play no games, and this is that hotel love. All right, again, my belly playlist right here at the Renaissance Hotel. Oh, Foodie Fam, can I grab this one up on you guys? Oh, can I? Oh, come on, Foodie, come on, talk to me. Somebody hit me in the comment section and tell me that I'm dreaming. These look amazing. I'm almost hoping I am hoping the flavor is just as good. Oh, let's see if it talks to us. Oh, stop it, Daym. Solo, oh, these things are hot. Stop, oh, they hot. Solo dolo action. No, you don't. Foodie Fam, can I talk to you about how tender that meat is on the inside and how flavorful, right here, that seared up bite, that garlic comes through, the herbs, that's nothing but extra additional flavor. Garlic is not too strong. Seasoning just right. Every single bite is a problem in these streets. But let's go ahead and dip this thing up off in ranch because I'm dying to know. Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't you do it, Damon. Daym. Oh, Foodie Fam. Oh, could somebody take a nibble of that for me? Somebody hit that before I do. Now, I've had plenty of wings in my time. A little extra crisp. Again, a soft, amazing, understanding, compassionate bite. Tender on the meat. Oh, that blue cheese enhances the flavor of the garlic and the herb kicking through. It's a combination that I promise is a symphony when it comes to the chicken wing game. Something you need in your life, I promise you. Renaissance Hotel, stop playing with your boy. We're not done. Let's keep it moving. I'm coming back to you, boo. Don't go too far. Oh, this is just a food review. Shh. Don't go too far. Now, I'm curious about these egg rolls. Let's check them out. Egg rolls, they're small, as you guys can see. If I could put it in my hand to kind of give you a comparison, a hand comparison. That's the egg roll in size. Let's take a bite, because right now it's looking like a mini pretzel without the salt. Let's check it out. Ooh. Hold on. I gotta dip it. Is that a deep fried cheesesteak right there? Come on, y'all. Stop playing with your boy crispy. It's a light type of crisp too. You're getting a light crisp on that cheesesteak. Oh, that ribeye is dead right. And you're getting the flair of the onion. This is an amazing little bite right here. This was a great idea when it comes to cheesesteaks. Something a little compact you can have right in your hotel room. I mean, it's a little greasy, but it is amazing with the flavor. Wow. I just want to show you guys the inside of this thing. I don't know if you guys can see the onions, but you can definitely see the cheese. You can definitely see the meat on this one. Again, deep fried mini cheesesteaks. You hit it up off into that ranch sauce. It is gonna blow your mind. I promise you. Just a little bit, just a little bit. That's all you need. Now go ahead and get a bite. The inside out grilled cheese, y'all. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, she twisted. Ooh, don't get it twisted, but she is twisted. Oh. Oh my goodness. Finally broken this thing apart. So many different cheeses we're working with on this one right here. Let's just see what that flavor do as far as room service. Oh, that's cool. That's that golden butter crust right there. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Buttery, yes. Crispy, no. Let me hit these fries right here. Let me hit these fries. Ooh, these fries are crispy. Ooh, got some Cajun pepper powder up in here. All right, y'all, now it's time for the breakdown of everything. If I could start over here with the wings, the garlic herb wings, I gotta give these bad boys a 5 all day. They're banging. They do not need the blue cheese, but blue cheese adds extra flavor. You're getting all the flavor right on the wing. Get in there. You're getting all the flavor right on these wings right here. Garlic herb, they're everything. The little cheesesteak egg rolls. Stop playing with your boy. The cheesesteak egg rolls, I'm gonna give a 4 to. Nice, crispy, plenty of cheesesteak, nice little ribeye action right there. Cheesy, you're getting the onion. I mean, matter of fact, let's go 4.5 because those are banging. I'm gonna change my score, 4.5. The French fries, shoestring French fries, they have some type of like a Cajun powder to them. That's kind of kick that I'm getting back, but they're crispy, they're great. Definitely, I'm gonna go 4.5 with the fries. Our inside out grilled cheese, I wasn't heavily impressed with. If I get it downstairs directly instead of having it as room service, getting that crisp on the breading, because the cheese is good, but getting that crisp on the breading definitely could take it up. So right now I'm gonna go with a 3.5. 3.5 on the grilled cheese, the inside out grilled cheese, 3.5. So quick shout out to the My Belly playlist room service menu here at the Renaissance Hotel. New York Midtown, y'all doing it. Greatly appreciate you guys. Loving the service, loving the spread. Now, I'm about to finish getting busy because you served me up some food that got me in a good mood. It's your main man, Daym Drops. Let's go. Hey guys, I know you're missing the regular food reviews. I'm just doing a lot of traveling right now. The moment I can actually get back to my regular life, I'll promise to come back with some more fast food reviews. But thanks for rocking with me with these hotel reviews. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the one that we had last week of Joe's Pizza. And I have a few more hotel reviews coming up because I got a few more hotels to hit. So much love to every last one of you. If you're new around here, be sure to subscribe. You enjoyed the video, hit it with a thumbs up. You hate it, hit it with a thumbs down. Sharing is caring, so share it out with your peoples. And I'm gonna see you next video. You know how we get down. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. More and more and more. Super official. Follow these kids, digging baby. I know you can't hate. Listen, man. I know the energy got to be low, man. I got neighbors, B.